Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we will learn structure of alkenes. Okay, alkenes. So we will learn structure of alkenes. Now, in order to understand the structure, we should know either its name or its molecular formula. Okay. Now, in our previous classes, we have already done that how we can get molecular formula from general formula. Okay. Now this is CnH2n is the general formula for alkene. Now by using this formula we get molecular formula, and from the molecular formula we can name the alkene, and from its name we can find out the structure. For example, suppose the molecular formula of alkene is C2H4. Okay. Now, since it is C2H4, the name will be ethene. Why ethene? Eth because it is 2-carbon alkene, and ene because it is an alkene having double bond. Okay. Now, alkene, how we identify alkene in its structure? We will have the double bond between carbon-carbon. Okay. So it is 2-carbon, so we will write 2-carbon, and then we will draw a double bond between these 2 carbon. Okay, so this is the difference between alkene and alkene. Alkene has single bond, whereas alkene has double bond. Now rest all we will satisfy. In our alkene class, we have already mentioned that each carbon has 4 bond. Okay, so now this, suppose I am considering this carbon, so 4 bond is 1 2 3 4, and for this carbon 1 2 3 4, and now we will satisfy these with hydrogen. Okay, so here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, and here hydrogen. So my structure is correct because it is made up of 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen, which is same like its molecular formula. The next one, the next member of alkene is C3H6. Now there is also we can just check that this molecular formula we are getting from this general formula. N is the number of carbon and 2n is the number of hydrogen. So number of hydrogen is just double the number of carbon. So number of carbon, how many number of carbon? Hydrogen will be double of it. So this is the molecular formula of second alkene. The name of this alkene is propene. Propene. Why prop? Because it is made up of 3 carbon, and ene because it is an alkene. Now the structure is, it is made up of 3 carbon. So first we will make 3 carbon. Okay. Now we will show the bond of 3 carbon with a single bond, and then we will make first and second carbon double bonding here. Okay, and then we will satisfy the rest. So 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, 1 2 3 already occupied, so 4 1 2. Okay, this, so it is 1 2 3 4 for this, 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, and now we will satisfy this with hydrogen. Okay. Next member is C4. So how many hydrogen? Just double of the 4, 8. Okay. The name is but because it is 4 carbon and ene. And the structure is 1 2 3 4 carbon. First and second carbon is doubly bonded, then singly bonded, then we will count 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, and 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, and we will satisfy with the hydrogen. Okay, so the difference is what? In alkene we will just show, here we are just we have just started doing the structure, so we will for our convenience, what we will do, only first and second carbon we will show a double bond. Okay. After this, the fourth member is what? The fourth member is C5H10, just double of carbon. Okay. Now its name is pentene. Say pent because 5 carbon and ene because it is a alkene. And now the structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First and second carbon is doubly bonded. Single, 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 and then we will satisfy the rest all. Okay. The mistakes generally children do is what? In counting this. Okay. So if you will not count it properly, then the molecular formula will not match your structure. So only when you are drawing the structure, just count the bond. The bond cannot be more than 4. The bond cannot be more than 4. Okay. Now you see this, for this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, like that. Okay. So the only mistakes, mostly the mistake children do is what? They don't count it properly. They make it more than 4. And if they will make it more than 4 bond in a carbon, then of course it will not match with the molecular formula. Now after this, one more structure, fifth member, C6, hydrogen will be just double. Its name is hexene. Okay, and the structure is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First and second is double bond. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay, and now we will satisfy with hydrogen. Okay, so like this. So this is the 5 structure of alkene, and in this way we can continue as many number of carbon it is increasing.